To apply a color scheme to a property column in the project table, right-click on the selected entries and choose Color by Entry property. Select the property you wish to color the cells by from the available properties list. Click Add and select the desired option for coloring the property. Then, set the value thresholds for applying the colors and choose the colors. To color entire project table entries or rows with arbitrary colors, for example to highlight a particular entry, right-click on the selected entry and choose Color Entries. Choose a color and click OK.